whole entire
History
book.
creation.
History creation. The first books of Moses. Now, we all know that God spoke everything into existence. He is the Big Bang. Big Bang, 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 bang. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The beginning is time. The heavens is space, and the earth is matter. Time, space, and matter must all coexist at the same time, or the universe would be unbalanced. Because if you have time and no space, where would you put it? Space and no time, when would you put it? And etc. All right? So whoever created that obviously has to live outside of that, right? Because you have to have a cause. So God lives outside of time, space, and matter, just like someone who builds a computer doesn't live inside the computer. I'm sorry, I only got 3 minutes to go through this. So in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth was without form and void. So we all know right here is when Lucifer tried to overthrow God, and this is when Saint Michael took him down to the earth and beat him. So the earth was without form and void because God had to stop what he was doing and handle business. The earth was without form and void, and darkness was on the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw the light, and that it was good. And God divided the light from the darkness. And God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And so the evenings and the mornings were the first day. Then God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." And thus God made the firmaments, and divided the waters which were under the firmaments from the waters which were above the firmaments, and it was so. And God called the firmaments heaven. And so the evenings and the mornings were the second day. Then God said, "Let the waters under the heavens be gathered together into one place, and let the dry land appear." And it was so. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters he called seas. And God saw that it was good. Pangea. And then God said, "Let the earth bring forth grass, and the herbs that yield seeds, and the fruit trees, and that yield fruits according to its kind, whose seeds in itself on the earth." And it was so. And the earth brought forth grass, and the herbs, and the yield seeds according to its kind, and the trees that yield fruits, and whose seeds in itself according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. And so the evenings and the mornings were the third day. Then God said, "Let there be light in the firmaments of the heavens to divide the days from the nights, and let them be for the signs of the seasons, for the days and the years, and let them be for the lights in the firmaments of the heavens to give the light on the earth." And it was so. Then God made two great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. And he made the stars also. And God set them in the firmaments of heavens to give lights on the earth, and to rule over the days and over the nights, and divide the lights from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. And so the evenings and the mornings were the fourth day. Then God said, "Let the waters abound with abundance of living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the face of the firmaments of heaven." And so God created the great sea creatures and every living things that moves, in which were water abound according to their kind, and every winged bird according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters and seas, and let the birds multiply on the earth." And so the evenings and the mornings were the fifth day. Then God said, "Let the earth bring..." Oh, we're too late.